avoid any mispreparations. And Nick Abergas will steal this night.
Ito lang na yon. Abergas, the last time he played one-on-one was against Negros where he lost to Jonald Galve.
Against Kapitan Balbon. Konting paikot lang, papunta dun sa green 6. Nilakasan pa.
The only person who can stop Nick Abergas right now is Nick Abergas.
Is him. Kung makikita mo lang din naman yung demeanor niya bago pa tayo mag-umpisa. It's gonna be the last week that we're gonna see him in Season 2. Pero Nick Abergas is gonna make a lasting memory for the Parañaque Kings.